So I have to say that dog breath is not my favorite scent in the world, and I have the dog that likes to sometimes get in your face and just stare at you, or sometimes after he's eaten, burp, and I just don't want to smell that. Thankfully, PetLab has sent over one of their products for me to test and try out. This is their ProBright Advanced. It is for cleaner teeth and fresher breath. It's an easy to use powder that you simply put over your dog's food. It is formulated for weight, so I had to make sure I was getting the right size product for my pet. This is what the inside looks like. It's a very fine powder, and it comes with a little scoop. That's what it looks like. Very, very fine. And on the back, it tells you how much you need for your dog. We actually started my dog off on half a dose and are working him up to a full dose just to make sure that I don't see any issues with him taking this. You simply put it over their food. My dog eats dehydrated, so I mix up his dehydrated food, and then just before I give it to him, I just stir it in again and then put the dish on the floor for him to eat. If we were feeding kibble, then I would put it over his kibble and moisten it a little bit just to get that powder mixed in, because again, it is very fine. The ingredients on the back are clearly listed on what's in the product and what is helping with those teeth. They have a proprietary probiotic blend. There's brown algae, there's rosemary leaf extract, green tea. This container is 60 grams and each scoop is 2 grams, so I'm gonna get 30 days use out of this. It goes on his food daily. It's American made. I really like that I can give my dog something that should hopefully help his breath clean up just a little bit, even would be great. I really like that there's a product like this for my dog's oral care that's easy to use. I don't have any trouble with him taking it. I hope this helps you decide on if ProBright Advanced by PetLab Company is a good product for you.